Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make this Grime flute lead. This sound is like the classic gliding squares, but with some differences. If you're liking this content, please do like and subscribe. And a reminder, I have Serum presets and samples available in the description. The preset from this video will be made available in the description for free, and all the sounds used in this video are from my packs, except for the vocal chop. We'll start by adding a new MIDI track, renaming it to Flute Leads, color coding it, dragging the MIDI over, bringing in a new instance of Serum, and turning the channel down to ensure that there's no clipping. And we can delete the previous instance of Serum. We'll be going to the basic shapes and choosing the square wave. We'll then want to increase the unison to 7. To create that detuning effect so common in Grime. I'll switch Serum to monophonic because I only want one note to play at a time. We can also add some glide. We can start to make a pluck style amp envelope. So what I've done here is I've increased the attack a little, decreased the sustain, and altered the decay. And we can also push the release out a little. We can now start to modulate a filter with an LFO to achieve the sound that we want. So we're going to initialize the filter. Go to LFO 1, switch it over to envelope mode so it only triggers once per MIDI note. Then we can drag LFO 1 over to the filter's cutoff in order to modulate it. And now we can just go about altering the parameters of the filter and the LFO, as well as the modulation amount, until we get something close to our desired results. So I'm happy with that. So now we can start to process the sound. First, we can add a saturator to give the sound a little bit more character. I can hear some resonances around 2K. So I'm going to bring in an EQ 8 and try and cut some of these frequencies. You can hear them there, they're quite whistly. I'm also going to add a high pass filter to remove any unwanted low frequencies. See, the lowest harmonic in the pattern is around there, so I'm cutting just below there. It's about 300 hertz. And we can add our high shelf just to help the lead stand out a little in the mix. So we'll listen to it in the mix. I'm also going to use isotope alloy 2 to mono below 200 kilohertz to ensure that the patch is mono compatible. You may find that you need to increase the level of the patch after doing this. And finally, I'm going to send it to some reverb and delay that I have set up on sends. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.